Ciao, Sara Pantalao. I'm a member of the Women on Board's Culture Diversity Committee. I joined in 2018. My cultural background is Italian. I migrated to Australia when I was 11. I've really loved being part of the committee. 2022, my highlight is that we have an amazing strategy that we've set out to bring awareness and why it's important to have more culture on boards. And also the new members that have joined us, I've learned a lot more about their culture, especially our First Nations people. It's been an absolute pleasure. Members of the committee are just wonderful women that really care about women on boards and culture diversity. But we all come from different walks of life. And it's been really, really enriching listening to them, learning from them, and developing my own skills. Thank you.